Have you ever wondered why short-term options are priced so differently from long-term ones? Why volatility spikes during a crisis but slowly fades away? The answer lies in something very powerful yet often overlooked: the term structure of volatility. It's like a weather forecast for traders, showing how the market expects volatility to change over time. And once you understand this, you will see trading opportunities most people miss. Let's get started. The term structure of volatility is a graph that shows how implied volatility changes across different expiration date. Visualize it like this. On the x-axis you have DTE. On the y-axis you have IV. Each point represents the ATM IV for a particular expiry. When you connect these points, you will get the volatility curve, which reflects how the market expects volatility to evolve. Let's learn two important types of term structure. The first one is called Contango. Contango is a normal structure in a calm market. So here are the key characteristics of it. The short-term options will have lower IV. The long-term options will have higher IV. The market expects uncertainty to increase over time. Think of it like a cricket pitch. At the start, the conditions are perfect for batting, low risk. But as the match progresses, the pitch veers down, higher uncertainty. The second important term structure is called as backwardation. Backwardation appears during market stress or panic. Here are the key characteristics of it. The short-term options are having high IV. The long-term options are having lower IV. Market expects volatility to decrease over time. It's like a storm. At the peak of the panic, people will buy protection, due to which the near-term IV spikes. But as the things settle down, the volatility expectation drop. Sometimes you will see IV spike at a specific expiry, breaking the normal curve pattern. This usually means that the market is pricing the event, like earning or policy change, or if there is any RBI announcement, or if there are any product launches. For example, a 30-day IV is normal, whereas a 60-day IV spikes. It could be due to an event in the next 60 days. Traders use this signal to position early. Now that you have understand the curve, let's understand how can you profit from it. Number 1. Sell high IV in short term, that is backwardation. If the near short term IV is high and expected to drop, sell options and profit from the IV collapse. Number 2. Buy low IV in long term, that is in Contango. If the long term IV is low, buy options to profit from the potential increase in IV. Number 3. Spot anomalies or mispricing. If an expiry has a high IV spike but no known events, it may be due to mispricing. In this case, you can sell the overpriced option and hedge with adjacent cheaper ones. Just like great actor picked the right script, you can pick the right setup by reading the curve. Here is a quiz time to lock your learning. Question number 1. What does the term Contango refers to? A. Short-term options have higher implied volatility than long-term options. B. The market expects volatility to decrease over time. C. Long-term options have higher implied volatility than short-term options. Or is it D. The market expects volatility to remain the same? The answer is C. Long-term options have higher implied volatility than the short-term options. Question number 2. What happens during a backwardation term structure? A. Volatility is low and the market expects it to increase. B. Volatility is high and the market expects to decrease. C. All expiration dates have the same IV. Or is it D. The market is directionally neutral? The answer is B. Volatility is high and the market expects it to decrease. Question number 3. Why might you see a spike in IV for a specific expiry? A. It indicates future price movement. B. It reflects an upcoming event like an earning or major announcement. C. It measures volatility is expected to decrease. Or D. It signals a stable market. The answer is B. It reflects an upcoming event like earning or major announcement. Question number 4. How can term structure help traders to spot opportunities? A. By predicting exact stock direction. B. By showing how the market is pricing uncertainty over time. C. By predicting earning reports. Or D. By identifying price movement zones. The answer is B. By showing how the market is pricing uncertainty over the time. Question number 5. What does a spike in implied volatility on the curve usually indicate? A. The stock is stable. B. That an event is coming, earning, product launch, etc. C. That all options are underpriced. D. The long-term volatility will remain flat. The answer is B. That an event is coming like earnings, product launch, etc. Drop your quiz score in the comment. I'll personally review and guide you on how to use this concept better in your trades. If this helps you understand how term structure of volatility works, share it with someone who still thinks option price usually tells full story. In our next video, we'll understand autocorrelation. Until then, keep learning, keep winning.